This is a teardown of a Sun Telecom brand numeric display pager model ST800. And this is new in box of all things. I actually have a handful of these, so they're not worth anything, but I'm kind of holding on to them for whatever reason. And it looks like nothing too interesting here. It actually comes with a little user manual. Just flip through the pages real quick for archival purposes. If you need the manual for this, that is. And you're going to have to pause, obviously, if you want to read it. I'm just going to flip on through here. And that's that. I wonder if they have an arbitration clause in here. Nope. And here's the pager. Thing's mint. Not going to be very mint for very long, though, because it doesn't appear to have any screws holding together. It weighs hardly anything. It's super tiny. And I did grab a battery here. We'll see what happens if I put a battery in it. Hopefully nothing too exciting. This is a single AAA. You can see the exposed PCB there. Oh, vibrated. Uh-oh. Oh, apparently it's 12 a.m. I don't think it is. Oh, 10:52 p.m. No pages. I didn't read the manual, so I don't know how to... Ooh, light. It's kind of fun. Oh, it's a single press. Set alert. Oh. Does it have different beeps? Oh. If I would have read the manual, I'm sure it would have been more obvious. Well, I don't want you to power off. Oh, I think I told you to turn off. I don't know. Either way, this isn't the purpose of the video. The purpose of the video is to take this apart. So, let's get on it. Well, the belt clip here is removable. Just a spring-loaded piece of plastic. Oh, there's a screw. Alright. And I'm just going to pull this battery out. Save that. Let's see here. Can't tell what it is. It looks like a hex key. Let's see if I have the right size bit. Probably going to have to use Torx. It's not ideal, but yeah, I don't have the right size. Torx is the alternative if it's a weird hex size that you don't have. It's not good on the Torx bits. You do run the risk, that is, of tearing them up, twisting the little teeth. But just gently unscrew that. I don't even know what size Torx bit I used. T6. That's the only screw I see. Oh wow, that came off easier than I was expecting. That is really nice. I was expecting it to be like clipped down, a huge pain in the butt, but no, it just hinged off. Nothing really holding it on. For being cheaply made, I'm kind of surprised, because this doesn't feel like it's, you know, high quality construction. It's just, you know, cheap as possible basically, and get the job done. But that is interesting. So you got some stacked PCBs here. Got the antenna. These are the battery contacts, which are nicely gold plated from the looks of it. And you can see the little vibrator motor in there, and a crystal chip. More chips. A lot of open space. You could probably stuff some stuff in there if you wanted to and get some more functionality. Or even upgrade this with a lithium battery if you want to go crazy. So it's not going to be too much to do on video here. I just want to get this board off. All right. So it's almost like this board is a wireless receiver, I suppose, for cell tower connectivity. And this is the brains, I'm guessing. Oh, there's a little buzzer beeper. Points towards the back. Yeah, this way. Alright, so yeah, it lines up that little hole there. I don't know if that's showing up on camera. Lighting's not quite right. There we go. So yeah, that lines up to that hole and beeps out the hole. But yeah, that's kind of neat. Oh, interesting. The motor is designed to be PCB mounted. It has some leads coming out the back that go into the PCB, and then there's a little front support. Oh, it's an actual little cage. That's cool. Probably not gonna be able to remove that without damaging the motor, but let's see. And then I'll put some photos at the end of the video. Oh, it's in there pretty good. Basically, there's a little spring steel thing going around the motor so they can couple it to the board better. There we go. Oh, no, it just popped out of the PCB. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that's interesting. Then there will be close-up shots of this at the end of the video.